Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mojito from pulse candy. This unique recipe offers a delightful twist on a classic, using the candy's distinct tangy flavor as a key ingredient. We'll guide you through each simple step to create a refreshing and surprising beverage. You'll need about 5 or 6 pulse candies, 1 fresh lime, and 10 to 12 mint leaves. Also, have on hand 150 milliliters of chilled soda water and plenty of ice for the perfect cool drink. Now let's get those flavors ready. First, take your 5 or 6 pulse candies and crush them into small, manageable pieces. A mortar and pestle works wonderfully for this, or you can use the back of a spoon. Next, add your 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and 4 lime wedges into a sturdy glass. Gently muddle these together. The goal is to release the fragrant oils from the mint and the tart juice from the lime, creating a vibrant base for your mojito. With your mint and lime muddled, it's time to bring in the star ingredient. Carefully add the crushed pulse candy pieces into your glass. The candy will slowly dissolve, infusing its unique tangy sweetness. Next, fill your glass generously with ice cubes, almost to the brim, ensuring your drink stays perfectly chilled. Finally, pour about 150 milliliters of chilled soda water over everything, giving your mojito that essential fizz and lightness. Your one-of-a-kind pulse candy mojito is almost ready. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the flavors, especially the dissolved candy, are well combined throughout the drink. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your glass with a fresh lime slice and a vibrant sprig of mint. This adds a lovely aroma and a touch of elegance. Serve your creation immediately and prepare to enjoy a truly refreshing and unexpectedly tangy beverage that will surely surprise your taste buds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.